The Panamanian Foundation. Panama offers one of the best asset protection tools in the world. The Panama Foundation. Panama modeled its foundation law after the laws of the Liechtenstein Foundation, except that Panama is far cheaper and does not levy any form of inheritance taxes. The foundation is the perfect asset protection vehicle and, so far, no Panamanian court has ever set aside a properly established foundation. Assets held by a foundation, including real estate, shares, bonds, precious metals, and other property, cannot be seized by creditors, governments, or even spouses in divorce proceedings. The foundation can be fully controlled via a protector, which is a physical or legal entity acting under the authority of the person who established the foundation, protecting their interests and the interests of the beneficiaries. In practical terms, there is not much difference between a foundation and a trust except that the foundation is a legal entity. It is advisable to use a foundation to hold a Panamanian company for rock-solid asset protection and confidentiality. What is the difference between a trust and a foundation? A trust is an agreement between two people, a settlor, owner of the assets, and a trustee, custodian of the assets. A foundation is a legal entity, and as such, must be registered in a jurisdiction and under the laws of that jurisdiction. What is a foundation useful for? A foundation, similar to a trust, is a tool used for asset protection purposes. Due to the fact that the assets are owned by the foundation, they cannot be seized. This means they are 100% protected from possible threats like bad divorce cases, false claims, creditors, etc. Foundations are also useful for inheritance organization purposes. Great tax optimization tool. If the foundation has assets outside of Panama, it is exempt from taxes in Panama. There are no restrictions as to the nationality of the founder, beneficiary, foundation counsel, or protector. Mundo is an investment club and portal made up of a team of world-renowned experts from over 40 jurisdictions, specializing in family office establishment, CBI, residency, and trusts. Visit our Panama country page for more in-depth information at www.mundo.expert or contact us at editor@mundo.expert to be connected to the right expert for your requirements.